Hello everybody. In this video we are going to talk about hematopoiesis. So if we break this word, hemato is indicative of blood and poiesis means formation. Therefore hematopoiesis is formation of blood. So in the first stage of hematopoiesis we have two cells that form. The first one is the myeloid progenitor cell and the second is the lymphoid progenitor cell. Hematopoiesis happens in the bone marrow. So the myeloid progenitor cell gives rise to erythroblast. The erythroblast will give rise to the erythrocyte. The suffix blast indicates something that is not fully developed, but site indicates something that is fully developed. Next, the myeloid progenitor cell is going to give us megakaryoblast. Again, we have the suffix blast over here. So therefore, we'll get a fully developed form which is the megakaryocyte. Site is indicative that it's fully developed. Megakaryocyte is then going to break into fragments to give us platelets. Site. Next, we have the monoblast. Monoblast is going to give us monocyte. Finally, we have myeloblast. Myeloblast is going to give us three types of cells: neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Neutrophils have multiple lobes in their nucleus, hence they are known as polymorphonuclear cells or PMN cells. Eosinophil is known to have red granules. A trick to keep that in mind is that eosinophil starts with E and erythrocytes also start with E, and both of them have something associated with red. Basophils have blue granules in them. B for blue, B for basophils. So these are the cells that we obtain from the myeloid progenitor cells. Now let's look at the lymphoid progenitor cells. The lymphoid progenitor cell is going to give us a lymphoblast. This lymphoblast is then further going to give us three cells: T cell, B cell, and NK cells. T stands for thymus. So T cells develop in the thymus. B stands for bone marrow, hence B cells develop in the bone marrow. And NK are natural killer cells. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the process of hematopoiesis and the cells that we obtain through hematopoiesis. That's all we have for today. Thank you.